Good morning, everyone. My name is Johnson Lai. I'm the Overseas Sales Director of HanGlobal Group. Today is a glorious day for us. We are here at Sinoprint 2022, which is the first show we have in 2022 in Guangzhou. So today, what we're going to do, we're going to introduce our brand new Labstar330S. But first, let me introduce HanGlobal as a company. HanGlobal Group is a very young company. We only started in 2010. Now, with all the past 12 years, at the moment we have 7 subsidiaries already in place, which each individual companies represent different type of products. HanGlobal represents our product line in labels and POD products. HanWay represents our corrugated product in inkjet. HanShape represents the product on electrical circuit board printing. HanTop represents a wider format commercial printing purposes. Poma represents textile printing on dye sublimation inks on textiles. SanTop represents the product in the garment industry, which we print directly on t-shirts. Now, as you can see with all the subsidiaries what we have, the main core of our business is on inkjet. And then we spread out our inkjet technology horizontally to make a wider range of our product line. So the key for us in HanGlobal is inkjet technology. At the moment with inkjet technology, we have run about 230 plus patents. And with HanGlobal itself as a group, we have run about 900 workers at the moment in the whole HanGlobal group. And within them, 30% of our people is from R&D department. So that's why our key is R&D. So with the strength of our R&D, what we can do is expand widely in different industries for broadening up our product line. With HanGlobal Group, at the moment, our sales network is up to 60 countries around the world already. And also, last year, we have built up a new factory. This is our new factory in Guangzhou. We have 100,000 meters of working space for manufacturing our machines for all our product lines. And at the end of next year, HanGlobal building will be built with a 6-floor department, with a 6 floor including office, showrooms, R&D workers, which is located in Shenzhen. Now let's go back and talk about our Labstar330S. The machine is a lot more simpler. As you can see on this video here, we have the unwind, the double-sided contact printer, corona, web guide at the bottom of the machine, and then you have the printing tower. The printing tower consists of white per CMYK, 5 colors, and then we also have the rewind. Now with our machine, the ink are specially developed to use on our machine. With the inks at the moment, we have white per CMYK. With the single white, what we can do already is 63% opacity on white. But if customer really want to have it more opacity on the white, what we can do is we can also add up a double white. With the double white, we can increase the opacity to around about 63%. Now, also another good thing about web inkjet is with short run jobs, you can even print even more narrow on the job. With web machine on our design, because the tension is specially built on the machine, so the web tension is very stable on the machine. What we can do is at a minimum of 75 millimeters, which if you have a shorter run jobs, you can print on an even narrower web. And also with the great tension we have on the machine, we can print from 20 microns up to 0.5 millimeters already, just on this machine. Now with all this design, what we have on the machine, we can print a lot more various applications of the machine. Everyday labels, clear labels, and also we can do monofilms. And I have done a special video just on how to do monofilms on our machine. Also, because with inkjet, we can add a lot of variable data information. What we can also do is RFID printing on the press once the print is laminated with the inlet. What we can do is read and write on the RFID labels, and together with variable data printing onto the press itself. The machine is built very easy to use and user-friendly, and what we try to do is a smart machine which everyone can use. And with the colors of only CMYK, last year we have gained a G7 certified already on just only CMYK. With CMYK at the moment, we can achieve up to 70% of the color gamut we have already. Now with the machine, as I said, we want to try to build it to be a more stable machine and more user-friendly machine. So on the unwind itself and rewind is a lifting system on the device, so you don't ever need to bend your back to roll the machine up to the machine. And the platform, the user platform, I will talk a little bit more detail about the user platform. It's also very friendly to use. And as I said before, the web tension is extremely important, especially in digital printing, in inkjet printing. So with the framework of the machine itself, we have built a tremendous strength on the platform. At the moment, the platform we're building, we're using 35mm thickness steel to build on the machine. So it's a very, very stable, heavy-duty machine. Therefore, the web tension is extremely stable. Now let's talk about how smart the machine is. This is the operation platform we have, and we designed it all on our own. With the operation platform, you can do install, you can do job change, you can do various product or various functions on this platform, and then you can also adjust the pitch as well on here. And what we also have on this machine, on this operation platform, is the automatic cleaning system, which I have done a few videos in the previous stage. Probably you need to check back up on the previous videos what I've done. Okay, with the color adjustment, we are using the rib to adjust the colors. So every time you print, the color is very, very stable in each print. And also we have another function, what we call a start save function. From the end of your job to the start of your job, what we can do is we can roll the web backwards to about 5mm before you start up another job. So it will save you a lot of material when you print. This is all the other functions on our machine. Now, as I said before, the new machine have been designed in a very, very compact format. And with this compact format, we have a less floor space for our footsteps on the machine. So at the moment, all the electrical cabinet is built inside the machine already, so you do not have any more extra electrical cabinet to reduce the cost of the area of the machine itself. Another good thing what we have with the machine is the upgrade function of the machine. Now we have this color module at the moment, and also what we can do is we can also add up the option of double white. And also what we can do is the hybrid function on the machine, so which we can make the machine to be a total finished product. Now for some applications, what you might need to do, what you might do is you don't use white as much as what you think you're going to use. Can we use flexible white instead of digital white? Of course. So what we can do is we can add up a flexo module at the front of the machine and even a cold foil module at the front of the machine. Then your application can widely spread onto the machine. You can also do foil, print after foil. This is one very special feature. What about after when you finish the digital printing? When you finish the inkjet printing, what you can also do is put another flexo module in the back of the machine. So you can do varnish. You can also do cold foil as well on this same machine. Now what about finishing? Of course, we'll talk about that as well. So with the finishing, what we can do is we can add up a die cutting module, lamination module, slitting module, and matrix remove module all into one. So it's a very compact design into one module, which at the end of the day, you can slot it into the machine at the back of the machine to make up a whole finished line product. Now, we have been talking about our machine already. This is the total presentation for our brand new machine. And since 2018, we have been starting to sell overseas at the moment. And let me talk about the customers we have in overseas. At the moment, we have around 6 installation sites at the moment. Because of various issues, because of COVID, we would not be able to expand as much as we can. But we are starting at the moment. So our first customer in Australia in 2000, our South Africa customer in 2019, our Thailand customer in 2019, our latest customer in Malaysia in 2021. So that concludes our presentation today, and thank you very much, and we will hope to see you in the next international trade show. Thank you.